Hi friends, I'm Bridget, a certified sleep science coach and mattress expert here at Sleepopolis. And today I'm going to be reviewing the new Nectar Classic Hybrid mattress. I'm going to put it through a variety of tests and let you know how it does on our Sleepopolis scorecard. But before we dive in, here are some quick details about this new Nectar Hybrid. It's 12 inches tall, it has a quilted cooling cover, and combines both memory foam and individually wrapped coils to offer pressure relief and support. The Nectar Classic Hybrid ships for free and comes with a 365-night trial, free returns, and an impressive lifetime warranty. It arrives compressed in a box, so I'd recommend asking a friend to help you unbox it and set it up. My coworker Amelia helped me, as you can see here, and although you can already see the mattress taking its shape, give it a day or two to fully expand and release any packing smells. Our first test is a big one, especially if you share the bed with a partner or a pet, testing for motion isolation. So motion transfer is how movement carries from one side of the bed to the other. So think if you're sleeping over here and your partner's tossing and turning over there, you don't want to wake up because of those movements. So in order to test how well this Nectar Hybrid isolates motion, we're going to do the classic red wine test. I put a glass of wine on one side of the bed and then moved around on the other side to see how it affected it, and it did a really good job. Overall, I'd give it 4 stars for motion isolation. Next up is our edge support test. Edge support is how well the perimeter of a mattress can support weight, so this is really great for couples who want to use the full surface of the bed. To start the test, I sat on the edge and moved around, and I felt okay here. Then I laid and moved around on the edge of the bed, and it felt pretty supportive. You could still feel a little bit of sinkage though. So overall, I'd give it 4 stars for edge support. Now to one of my favorite tests, the pressure map test. Although I can tell you that I think this Nectar Hybrid has that slow-moving foam, which can be really good for pressure relief and filling in the lumbar region, the pressure map takes it a step further. It uses heat mapping technology to show where pressure is building across my body when I lay on the mattress. Here's what you need to know as you look at these images. Blues and greens are good and are showing low pressure. Oranges and reds are bad and are showing high pressure. You're going to want to see low pressure around your back, hips, and shoulders if you sleep on your side or back. And when I laid on my back, I saw basically only blue with a touch of green. On my side, there was pretty much all blue and green with a bit of yellow forming around my hip. So I'd give the Nectar Classic Hybrid 5 stars for pressure relief for back sleepers and 3.5 stars for pressure relief for side sleepers. I'll mention it doesn't really come down to pressure for stomach sleepers. We are about to cover them more next. Now let's go over the different sleeping positions and how I think they all would do on this Nectar Hybrid. No matter what position you sleep in, you're going to want to have your spine in alignment. But depending on that sleeping position, you're going to need different things out of a mattress to make that happen. Stomach sleepers need a firm mattress to keep their hips elevated and in line with their spine. I think the Nectar Classic Hybrid is a true medium firm mattress and has a firmer feel than the all foam Nectar. So I think it could work for some lightweight stomach sleepers, but most will want a firmer bed. So I'd give it 2.5 stars for stomach sleeping. Side sleepers need some contouring around their shoulder and hip to avoid pressure from building up. And I think it did a pretty good job, but do think some side sleepers may want a softer option. So I'd give it 4 stars for side sleeping. While back sleepers need a comfortable and supportive option, and I think this bed is a wonderful fit for back sleepers. I'd give it 5 stars for back sleeping. Now let's test for responsiveness, which is basically how easily you can move around on a mattress. So this is really important if you're a combination sleeper or for anyone who has mobility issues. And it's not too difficult to move around on the Nectar Classic Hybrid, but it does have slower moving foam on top that you can see does not get much bounce, despite having the coils inside. So I give the Nectar Classic Hybrid 4 stars for responsiveness. Price is, of course, a super important factor when looking at buying a new mattress. I do want to point out that mattress prices change all the time, and we also always have coupons to help you save even more. Just click the link in the description below. But right now at full retail, you can currently get the Nectar Classic Hybrid in a queen size for about $1,200. All right, now that we have made it through all of our tests, I want to give the Nectar Classic Hybrid one final score. So along with everything I've gone over in this video, I'm also going to rate it on things like its cooling abilities, its warranty information, and its materials, and much more. And when I total it all up and average the scores, I give it one final score of 4.2 out of 5. All right, I hope you found this review helpful. If you want to learn any more about this mattress, other mattresses, other sleep products, or sleep health information, just head over to sleepopolis.com. We also have coupons for you there too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, and I will see you next time.